welcome to DevTalks channel. I'm Michael.
And I'm Alex.
And today we have a few topics to discuss. So let's start with the first one.
And our first topic is news about Neuralink company first successful implantation. So actual history is made, and Neuralink has successfully implanted its first brain-machine interface into a human during science fiction into reality. This tiny device, implanted by a special robot, promises to revolutionize medicine and how we interact with technology. It has a potential actually to change our lives, offering a new hope in treating some neurological conditions and beyond, as said by a medical expert. So imagine that you can control the devices with your mind or restoring lost senses. So this is not just a dream anymore, and it's a beginning of new era. The first human which is implanted by Neuralink is not just a medical milestone. It's a step towards future where technology and the human brain merge seamlessly. This was great news regarding this first implantology, but let's discuss more regarding Neuralink company itself. So what is this product? So this implant actually is hermetically sealed in a biocompatible enclosure inside human brain. So it's powered by a small battery and charged wirelessly. So inside it's advanced, custom and very low power chip that processing neural signals and transmitting them wirelessly to the Neuralink application, which decodes data stream into actions and intents. Implant records neural activity through 1024 electrodes distributed across 64 threads. These highly flexible, ultra-thin threads are key to minimize damage during implantation and beyond. Neuralink being implanted by special robot, which is made by the same company. This robot offers very high precision by using 5 cameras and tomography device. So, and it uses a very small needle, which is less than human hair, to implant these electrodes into human brain. The last thing is a brain-computer interface that's called BCI, and that enables fast and reliable computer control and prioritize ease of use. It's application for special mobile application which works with this Neuralink implant. So, and Michael will tell more regarding the first patient of Neuralink.
Yeah, actually there is no much details about the patient itself. There was just a tweet spotted in X platform, which is X Twitter platform, by Elon Musk, that they successfully did first surgery when they implanted this Neuralink device into human brain. So, and as was said previously by Elon Musk, most likely first patients will be people who lose their limbs, and they will use so-called product by Neuralink Telepathy, which can kind of allow users to control devices like phones and laptops just by syncing. So there is not much details, but we will try to
follow the news regarding this first implantation, and of course we will notify you in our next podcasts regarding any updates in these situations and regarding this company. So stay tuned, subscribe to our channel to not miss any last updates.
Yes,
and we wish to the best health and faster recovery for this first patient. We hope that he is already enjoying some features, powerful features which are provided by this interface. But we are moving to our next topic.
Next, our topic is Zeiss company. So Zeiss announced that a transparent camera that can be built into glass, for example, into window, into smartphone glass, into laptop glass. So it's transparent, so you cannot see it, and this gives a big advantage, for example, in car industry. So the cameras can be mounted into windows itself, not to be a separate part on car's body. Also, it can be built into phones displays or laptop displays, and even into TVs displays, and not like at the top as usually done now, but for example at the center. So when you will be speaking with someone, you will see the face like you are looking at each other, not like you need to look at the top, and only then a person who see on the other side will see that you are looking at it. So it's a kind of big advantage of this technology, and it also cannot like just work as cameras that films, records or something like that, but also to kind of checking air for pollution or spotting UV rays from the sun or something like that. And also they said that they won't be producing like products based on this Holocam, but they will sell it as technology to other companies. So for example, car manufacturers can use this technology, like buying windows glass for cars by this company and use them in cars. And
yes, actually, like this company does with smartphones, so it's not sells its cameras, separate cameras, but just sells these cameras to smartphone producers that they are integrated these cameras in their smartphones.
yes.
So I think this sounds very promising, because Zeiss is, I think, one of the world leaders company regarding this in this area of producing cameras and lenses, and technology looks very promising.
Yes.
The only thing, maybe I'm a bit afraid of the thing that if this technology will become more robust and popular, this camera can be inbuilt and invisible in each of the glass. So it's I'm a bit paranoid regarding this, that in each of the glass there might be a camera which can see what you're doing. And yes.
Yes, again, also in case of cars, if you crash your screen window or just part of window where is camera located, so you need to replace like whole window or whole glass, not just replacing the small cameras that you have now, like built into car separately, not into window. So it also kind of the case of the costs. But yeah, most kind of strange and interesting would be having it in all the devices around us, and we would even don't know is there camera or not.
Yes. So
The quality of it maybe not that good at the moment, but again, it's just a prototype, and they will improve it. And in one hand, I hope it will reach the market, but on another hand, I would not like to see it in real world.
maybe in some office, but definitely not in the home, because
Yes,
if
yes.
now you can switch off or put
Like-
something in the camera of your laptop, now you will need to cover the whole screen of your
Yes.
TV, for example, which
Yes.
is not very convenient,
Yes.
probably. But anyways, is it it's regarding these minuses, but huge plus that you said that it's in current cameras there's yes effect like person is staring outside of the screen because it's staring in the camera, but now it will see directly to the screen, and this will give more
like a realistic
yes effect. But it can be solved also with different technologies, for example some AI which correcting this staring in real time.
yeah.
It's I think already inbuilt in some messaging platforms.
Yeah, so it's a kind of interesting thing from technology perspective, but there are some like advantages and disadvantages if this will reach the market. So let's move to another topic. So the next topic is Kawasaki K-RACER, which is cargo drone, second version that Kawasaki announced some time ago. So this drone is built to move heavyweight objects, and it has petrol engine that coming from Kawasaki Ninja H2R, and on motorcycle this engine has around 310 horsepower, but we don't know how much horsepower will have this Kawasaki K-RACER because maybe engine is tuned a bit. So
probably yes. It's interesting that this drone has a petroleum engine, because the most popular engine for drones, as I know, is electrical, and it's much more ecological friendly. But it's some interesting decision to use this petroleum engine in a drone.
yes, and this drone not look like a regular drone that has four rotors, but it has more like a helicopter view, but it also has two wings, and which wing has one rotor. It doesn't have a tail like a regular helicopter. It has tail, but it doesn't have rotor on tail.
So actually it's more RC controlled helicopter than a drone in our, as we usually imagining it. So, but yes, I think it's quite powerful. 300 horsepower is pretty much. And how much load it can hold?
They did the test with 200 kilograms. Again, it's not that big as a helicopter as you might imagine. It's much smaller drone.
Yes, but probably it's also cost of this device is much less than for regular helicopters. So for sure and it's much more compact, and probably have let's say some smaller and easier certifications for it. So
yes.
I think in different appliances it will be more convenient for companies than to buy and make some maintenance of this helicopter, which can be very costly.
Also interesting that they kind of making the second version of this, like I can say prototype, or how they call it, with a petrol engine, not moving to electrical powered engines like all other industry doing.
Maybe there's some segment where this petroleum engine is also exists, about which we don't know, and maybe there have some place in this industry of this petroleum, but in electric drone segment is very high competence, and it's hard to go to this market.
Yeah, maybe it's used to move some objects on manufacturers, or I don't know.
But anyway, yes, Kawasaki is a very large company, and they definitely know what they are doing. So
yes.
Probably they tested this idea before doing this device, and for sure it will find its appliance.
Yes, definitely. So,
okay, today we had a short podcast. So thank you for your attention, and see you next time.
See you next video. Bye.
Bye.